quick release buckle. So you see everybody getting these German helmets, but nobody really clipped them on. It's a regular German helmet, and I'm going to attach a quick release buckle to it, so it'll be easier for me to click it on and go. I'll show you. This is the regular setup. You put the strap all the way through both circular things, and the opposite side of the helmet. Pull it all the way through. Then open the first loop and push it through. Pull it tight, and then flap it back. There's a clip on the end. You clip it on. That's the real way to put on a helmet, but that takes too long. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this quick release buckle on the end, so it'll be easy to clip and go. Let's get this open real quick. Today, I'm trying not to rip the instructions on the back. I think I got it. Let's get this off and attach the quick release buckle. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the first hook and put it on the inside of the clip on the left of the helmet. And then you get the body of the clip. Make sure you put it on the right way. Hold on. I'm not sure if this is the right way. Make sure you get it on the right way. Make sure you know what you're doing. You take your time. Don't break it. There you go. So now it's fastened in there. So now for the right side, this part clicks directly into the body of the buckle for easy fasten. All you gotta do is push this through. Whichever way, I guess you could put it in any way suitable for you. It doesn't matter, as long as the two outside sprungs click right directly into. I don't like it on the inside, so I'm gonna just switch it to the outside. But that end piece gotta click directly inside the body of the buckle. Let's get this off and switch it around. That way it's more comfortable for me. Put the outside piece through the bottom. That way it locks properly. Just pull that through. There you go. That's pretty much it. Now you try to see if it works. Just click it right in there. That's it. Quick and easy. Now you adjust it to your head, however it fits you. That way you won't have to do it again. Nice and tight, snug. I don't want to choke myself, so you know, you have to have a little looseness, but it's there, fit, tight and snug on my head. You're ready to go. Quick and easy, you take it off. That's it. Easy. Easy, 1, 2, 3. Put it on. Now when you stop and chill for a second and you're gonna take your helmet off and you put it back on, you don't have to look like a rookie sitting there for like how many minutes trying to put your shit back on. And that's it. There you go. Easy. Quick release buckle. There you have it, man. Safety first, remember that.